30 years ago. Before I started at KMC Controls, I was a stay-at-home mom, and I decided that I wanted to be a part of something really, really good. What I do here is we assemble circuit boards, beginning with the printer and the placement machines, and they go into products for assembly, actuators, and anything that needs an electronic circuit board. I believe that we should support American products because it supports the local economy, the country in general. It's a very good company to work for. They are always in tune with the employees, and I feel that it's a real strong company. It's a good thing to support your country as well as the economy, whether it's local or countrywide. We strive to provide excellent customer service, and we really are really well rounded to provide on-time delivery, excellent product.